This video will explain how to do the information literacy Craap method assignment. Academic integrity folder. The plagiarism explanation here is just a continuation of the conversation about that topic that you read about in chapter 1. Does not connect to the information literacy assignment. The purpose of the information literacy assignment is to help you evaluate the validity and credibility of the sources when you have to do research. I think you all know that you're going to have to do research in college, so it is very important that you know how to evaluate your sources. That is the purpose of this assignment. You're going to watch this video about the Craap method. Craap is an acronym. It stands for currency, relevance, authority, accuracy, and purpose. Again, you'll learn about the Craap method. But the assignment is to pick a hot topic right now. So here are some examples: immigration, gun control, reproductive rights, ones that are not there. Black Lives Matter could be one, racism, just about anything that you could imagine that's hot right now, the pandemic, COVID-19. So there are a lot of issues that you could choose from right now. So find something that you think is interesting, that's a hot topic. And then your job is to do this in step 2. Locate an article from a conservative website about that topic and one from a liberal website about that topic. If you're not sure what a liberal or conservative website is, click on the media bias chart. It'll open to this page. And so left is liberal, right is conservative. Fox News is an easy one, MSNBC is an easy one. So basically you can just go straight to their websites and type in the article title. So I have an example pulled up. I just chose gun control. I typed in Fox News and gun control and came up with this article. So let me do the same thing. Find a liberal one. From a liberal website, I should say. So here I have 2 articles here. 2 articles about gun control, one from a liberal website, one from a conservative website, and I am going to run them both through what's called the Craap test. So again, the Craap test is looking at these factors, of which you'll learn about in this video, and it will look something like this. Here are the samples. So you'll do 2 articles, same topic, 2 different websites, one liberal, one conservative. You'll paste the citation to the link here. And then you'll talk about the currency, relevance, authority, accuracy, and purpose of Article 1, followed by Article 2. At the end, you'll just do a quick summary of what you learned about the 2 in terms of the Craap test. So your job is not to necessarily summarize the articles. You don't need to do that. You just need to talk about what you found in terms of using the Craap test. And so that is the purpose of the assignment. Here's another sample. Again, you can look at both of these online. Article 1, Article 2, and then the comparison. So again, please don't feel like you have to over summarize these articles. It's not that important. It's just important to evaluate the credibility of them. Okay, so that's what it should look like. And so you're going to do this on a Word document. You should complete this assignment in Microsoft Word and upload it to this link. So I have a template for you to use. And when I say template, it means that you can use this by just simply highlighting the information and typing your name over the top of it. And since it should be formatted like this, I went ahead and did that for you. Once you get your article, paste it here, and then you'll put your answers right here for each article. Article 1, Article 2, and then here's the summary or comparison. So again, just type your answers right here, and when you're done, save it. However, wherever you save your files to, if you've got an FYE folder, which I hope you do, there's your information literacy. Save it. And when you're done, you'll submit that through this link. You'll hit Browse My Computer. You'll also want to make sure that you hit this plagiarism tool. So you'll click here. You'll hit Browse My Computer, and then you'll find your assignment, the information literacy assignment, and you'll hit Submit, and it'll go straight to the gradebook. Before you do that, though, always remember to read the rubric so that you know how to get 50 points for this assignment. All right, that is this assignment.